Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Gather Together bundle, and this is a cute little Thanksgiving card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our Big Shot. And we are using the Gather Together bundle, and we're going to be using Season's Greetings and the framelits. Or the dies, rather. Okay, I have a piece of Very Vanilla. And then I have a piece of the Champagne. And the Champagne is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So we'll run that through. And then we're going to make 2 more of these. And the reason I'm doing that on the inside is because we're going to use that as the mat for the card. Look at how cute how they cut and emboss at the same time. It's awesome. All right, last one. All right, so we'll put those aside and we'll start putting this card together. I have my SNAIL adhesive. And our card base is MERLOT, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that. Then I have a piece of the coordinating paper. I believe it's gathered together, but I will put it on the screen. And this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And so we're just going to cover up these leaves here. Alright, so just like that. Now I'm going to take my big leaf and my Merry Merlot Stampin' Pad. And then I have the sentiment mounted on clear block B. So just like that, and that is all the stamping we are doing. So let's put this card together. I'm going to have a leaf here and a leaf here and here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pop those up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I think one will be sufficient. And then I'm also going to pop this one up. And it's easiest to do the top and bottom first, and then you can put the one in the middle where you want it. So it's more evenly distributed. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to rip the backs off of these. And I have the Come Together combo ribbon pack, and I think I'm just going to take this one here. And I'm going to wrap it around my fingers. And then I'm going to give it a little turn here. I'm going to go ahead and trim off these edges. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple Thanksgiving card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!